It's definitely carrying something a bit too heavy for it, apparently. He's got a possum. Mr. Eagle, you got a possum?